For custom cabinetry, accuracy and efficiency of shop drawings are critical. This case study shows how we use 2020 design to speed up creation of shop drawings for a leading U.S. manufacturer of frameless kitchen and bath cabinets. Our client, a manufacturer of frameless kitchen and bath cabinets, had only 2D architectural drawings available. This limited visualization. The cabinet designs also needed to adhere to NKBA standards, accessibility guidelines, and the Fair Housing Act. The client provided initial inputs, including architectural drawings, cover pages, appliance details, and finish schedules for their cabinetry. Our team used 2020 Design Live to transform these 2D drawings into comprehensive 3D models, ensuring all elements were accurately mapped for production. Using the extensive library in 2020 Design, we expedited the design development process, incorporating all standard products for kitchen and bathroom cabinets. The software enabled precise 3D visualization of kitchen and bathroom layouts, improving the look and feel while providing enhanced support to the shop floor. Each shop drawing underwent thorough self-QC and peer QC processes, ensuring compliance with NKBA standards, FHA rules, and guidelines for production-ready models. Final deliverables included a comprehensive shop drawing package with cover page details and appliance information, accurately calculated models for kitchen and bathroom vanities, hardware, and countertops. By integrating 2020 Design into the workflow, our client achieved a 30% reduction in project timeline and significantly higher accuracy in cabinet lists and countertop details. Want to reduce your cabinet design time? Connect with Hitech CADD Services today and transform your 2D architectural drawings into accurate, production-ready cabinet models.